how to buy DUM Freedom Fighters token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this is their X account. They have enough community. Make sure to take a look at it. Now after that, as you can see, the token is in pre-sale. Now we need to open the DIG stores, as you can see from here, and we need to open the Uniswap. So why we need this? I will just disconnect this wallet to be able to start from the beginning. Now after that, as you can see, this is the page. After you click on Uniswap, this is the page that you will find. As you can see, this is our token. Now just click on connect. Now select your wallet. I will select Biscuit wallet. Now after that, click on connect. So as you can see, the token is disappear from here. Now how to bring the right token? Now go to the stores that you open it from here. Now after that, as you can see, these two addresses. Copy this address called DUM. Now go to Uniswap from here. Make sure to select from here the network as Ethereum. Now as you can see, paste the address. As you can see, you will find the right token to you use this because you can't or to not lose your money. Just after that, check this and click on continue. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you will see because I don't have any Ethereum. For you, you will find here to complete the buy process to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the DUM token. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.